In this video, I will demonstrate 3 methods to take pictures from an Android phone and move it to your PC. This video assumes that your Android phone is connected to the PC and has no issues in connecting. From this PC in File Explorer, you will right-click on your device and select Import Pictures and Videos. Windows will scan through your phone for all images and videos it can find. This includes from games and other apps. Windows will determine if some of the images already exist in your system and give you a count how many are new you can review and organize and group items to import. By choosing More Options in the bottom corner, you can see where pictures and videos will be saved. You can change these locations. You can choose to delete the images from your phone after importing. Other options include file name and folder name for grouping. You can tag and name the folder the images will import as. After you have selected your images and click Import Pictures, will be copied to your desired folder. Method 2 is going directly to the folder on the phone. From this PC in File Explorer, you will click on the device and go to Internal Storage, then PCIM folder, and then Camera. There you will find your pictures. Now just select the ones you want. If you click the Home tab at the top, you have 2 options: to move or copy to a folder. We are going to move to our pictures. This will save us from deleting off the phone afterward. We can move to other programmed locations, or we can choose a location else where we would like to save them. The final method involves opening the Windows Photo app from your Start menu. Windows Photo app has an import option that will look in Common folder where pictures are stored on the phone. We will import from a USB device. By selecting Import Settings, you can change the import destination, how they're grouped, and to delete. From Device after Import, select the images you want and click Import Selected. These are 3 ways to get your pictures from an Android phone to your PC. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe.